Did you know that Dazzle has the ability to give credit on the semester for all your classes? I had a district ask me about this last week, and I thought it'd be beneficial if I made a video for everyone to see. I'm in one of our districts that I scrambled and play, and if I go to marking patterns in 1819, your marking patterns are the grades you give on the report card in Dazzle. If I look at this all year marking pattern, this tells me that the final is earned credit 100%. Well, what I showed them in play in 1920 is how they can set up all your classes to give half the credit at first semester and half the credit at second semester. And it's simply a quick change to your marking patterns. I changed the first semester average to be earned credit at 50%, and the second semester average would be earned credit at 50%, and they would no longer need this final on the marking pattern. So these are the grades the kids would receive. For average marks, or excuse me, 4 9-week marks, 2 exams, and 2 averages. And again, the average is 50% earned. It's a very simple change. If you're interested in doing it, send me a ticket and I'll gladly change it for you. Marking patterns are something that I've been dealing with for 14, 15 years, so I know quite a bit about them and I feel comfortable adjusting them. I'm going to pull up a student, actually myself, that I registered in my school on Play. I'm going to print my transcript so I can show you what it's going to look like. Now, if I look at my schedule, I have, I think, 2 classes. I think I have a dropped in here too. Horticulture, physical science, and algebra. If I go to my student marks page, so I type student marks in the cheater and I pick the first one. In algebra, I only got a 97 for first semester. I don't have a second semester grade. For physical science, I got a 70, which is passing for first semester, but I flunked second semester with a 55. And then horticulture, I have a passing grade in both semesters. When I run my transcript, this is what it looks like. I'm running it for just myself. And I actually have course history from last year. So you're going to see that on the transcript also. But it's going to show you my credits from last year. Here we go. And I'm going to scroll through all this. Remember, if you want to be able to print a transcript on the fly and get rid of all of these pages of formatting, watch the video on how to get the transcript in the I want to menu. Because when you do that, you get a transcript that's just one page that you can do file print or file save. So here's what my transcript looks like. For 2018, I took geography, intro to psychology, and math. And notice I just have 1 grade. I have a 77, a 91, and 89 a final. 1 grade. This for 1920 is where I changed it. Algebra is the class that I got a passing grade for first semester, but I dropped it and I have no grade for second semester. Look at my credit column. The course is worth 1 credit. I attempted a half and I've only earned half a credit. Horticulture, I have passing grades in both semesters, so it's earning me the full 1 credit. Then for physical science, this is the class that I passed first semester, but I failed second semester. So notice that it is giving me a half a credit for that whole class. Again, if you want to change this or you want to learn more about it, feel free to send me a ticket and I can give you a call, or I can walk you through if you really want to change it yourself. But it's an awesome feature and hopefully more of our districts will take advantage of it.